gosh, it's so crazy. There's a lot of people here. I am so shook.
I'm such a clown.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a vlog for you. It is super early in the morning right now. It is a Friday the 26th of October and it is 3:50 in the morning, I would say. And I am on my way to the airport. My grandparents are actually going to pick me up right now because my grandma's going with me and so is my aunt as well. My parents are actually already almost there. They're driving, so they're like transporting all the slime. They're almost there, so we're gonna meet them over there in Connecticut. So I'm excited. Next stop is going to be the airport. So update, we're here at Mohegan Sun and we're eating. I got a burger and some sweet potato fries. Friends by Kit Kat got, what is that? Lobster mac and cheese?
Shrimp mac and cheese
bowls. And my grandma got a burger. Alright, so update, it is the next day and we're headed to the area where Slime Bash is gonna be and set up because my parents actually just got here with the slime. So we have to set up my little table area. So that should be fun. Hey y'all, so my booth is finally set up and this is what it's looking like so far. So yeah, come and see me, booth 18. I'm right next to V-Money Slime and to my girl Karina from Show Slime, so come say hey. There's so many people outside. I'm about to show y'all how crazy it is right now. VIP is already in here, but general admission is out there. I'm about to show you.
Run, walk around. Give handshakes or high fives.
These are all the people that are here. It's so crazy. Hi! Say hi to the vlog! Hey y'all! Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. There's a lot of people here. I am so shook, y'all. Come meet me at my booth. I'm so excited. Well, my name is JosephAnthonii. I own the Unicorn Slime Shop and I have a YouTube channel called JosephAnthonii. So I'm here with my friend Karina.
And my name's Karina from Trill Slime, Train and Trill on YouTube, and pretty much I just make slime videos. That's it.
Tell us a little bit how you came up with your name and how you started making slime.
Yeah. Well, my name is JosephAnthonii, so that wasn't hard. But the Unicorn Slime Shop, that was actually a name that like the band chose, so it was kind of cool. And yeah, it's been 2 years already since we've had the shop and my YouTube channel. So it's been really fun.
Everyone in Gotham who makes the best crowd slimes.
That's so hard. I love Rainbow Playmakers crowd slimes. I also love slime with pigment sun glitters. Like they're so good. I could never choose, honestly.
Yeah, same here. Like they're all really good texture. I think they all have like their own unique texture to them. I recommend all of them. They're really great.
I just want to say thank you all so much for coming, especially for the parents. I know that this is like not your ideal like day, but honestly it makes us so happy, it makes your kids so happy. So thank you for coming out.
Thank you. And I want to thank you guys too because I love you guys so much and we all love slime. So thank you.
Okay, Slime Bash 2 day 1 is finally over. It was so exciting to meet all of you. It was crazy. It was a madhouse, but I had so much fun. We're exhausted though and we're hungry, so we're about to go eat. So the next clip is probably honestly gonna be the VIP party because that is a thing today too. So let's go eat and head over to this party. Hey y'all, so I'm right here with Trina. We are on our way to the VIP party right now, so I will see y'all there if any of you are there. Alright, so this is the Mega Bash party. It's lit, as you can see.
Oh yeah!
This is so fun. This is literally a party. Go ahead.
I'm sliding up unicorns on Instagram.
Alright. Alright y'all, we're here at Slime Bash day 2 and the doors are about to open for VIP, so let's get the day started. There you go, thank you.
Alright, at top 1 and 2, they only want to do that.
I'm on a mission.
Oh, you're on a mission?
I'm on a mission. Got you, girl. Joseph saw somebody and said, go get me a clay bucket, Mom.
Oh, we only have purple.
Yes, that's what we want.
Black.
That's what he said.
Hi.
So we are in the last few hours. Hi.
Okay, so it is 2 days later and we are here at our Airbnb in Jersey, and we're literally just vacation mode right now, just until the Brooklyn event for the Slime Expo New York City. So we're just gonna kind of be tourists today. We're gonna go on one of those double-decker buses and take a tour. Me and my aunt have already done it before, but the rest of our family haven't done it, and we didn't actually finish the tour. So we're gonna try to do that today and maybe see like the Statue of Liberty or something, I don't know, but I'm taking you along with me. So we're here on the bus tour. Say hey, y'all.
Hey.
Oh, Kit Kat's down here.
Need to find slime shop is here.
Yeah, it's kind of cold, but it's really fun. So yeah, this is like our second time doing it, but it's no biggie. No, the last time we did it at night though, right? Yeah, so we get to see a lot more this time since it's in the day. We're just trying not to get like our heads cut off by the stray branches and stuff. So yeah. This is how close we are to some of the trees. Bam, look at that. Traffic light? Yo, I can literally touch it right now. Like, if y'all have never seen a stoplight up close, this is what it looks like. Kind of cool.
Interview me, Jonathan. Ask me questions. What do you want to know?
Who's your favorite child?
My favorite child is...
Obviously me.
Again, who has the money? My favorite child's name is... Gracie.
Just trying to take a selfie. What's poppin', y'all? So it is a couple days later and today's actually the day of Slime Expo New York City here in Brooklyn. I'm so excited. We're actually in our Airbnb right now, but we're getting ready to leave. Everybody's getting dressed. And of course you're coming along with me. I'm sorry I didn't really vlog much throughout the week. I just, we were running through the city and stuff, and I was so paranoid that I was gonna lose this thing right here, my camera. I always just feel like it's gonna pop off the tripod or something, so I just left it at home. But I'll insert like some Instagram clips and stuff like that for like some of the things that we did. So let's head on over to the Slime Expo. Hey y'all, so we're here at the Slime Expo New York City in Brooklyn, and we're just getting started now. VIP is gonna open in like just a couple of minutes. I wanted to show you all my booth really quick, just because we kind of like upgraded a little bit and we did some like DIY type stuff. So this is what we have here. I really love the way that it's looking so far. I want to give y'all a close-up of these things right here. They're just like little crates, and we just painted them and like did paint splatters. I think they're super cute. So the big three over here, we have like our like fan favorite / limited edition slimes, and then the Halloween slimes that are on sale, and then of course some merch down here as well.
Currently setting up for the VIP DIY workshop.
Hey y'all, so I am so sorry that this vlog is literally so all over the place. We were like literally rushing for Slime Bash, and that's why I didn't even have like any like kind of table set up. I guess it was a little bit more plain than what we had at Slime Expo. That's just because we had a lot more time to prepare for Slime Expo. But yeah, if the vlog was all over the place, like I said, I'm so sorry. I definitely didn't intend to do that, but it was just really busy. And then once we were there, it was really busy. I tried to get my mom, my aunt, and my brother to help me vlog and stuff like that, but it was just too much. There was too many people. It was very insane. As you can tell, I am back home now. I actually got home on Sunday night, super late at night. However, I didn't get to come home immediately. I actually had to take my little baby Holden to the ER because he was really sick. He actually has kennel cough, which is kind of like the equivalent to a cold, like for humans. So he is currently recovering now. They gave him some medicine and he's doing a lot better. But yeah, this is just me ending the vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. I really had a great time at both events, Slime Bash 2 and at Slime Expo New York City. I cannot wait for my next events to come up. I believe the next one is going to be Slime Mania in December 16th. That one is going to be in Anaheim, California. I'm so excited. And then of course in January we have Slime Bash 3 and also SlimeCon. So I am so excited to meet you all there. If I didn't get to meet you at either of these two events, then I am looking forward to meeting you. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for everybody who came to the events because you all rock. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
I'm still a bad guy, I am a Decepticon. Some call me Nikki, but some call me Megatron. I'm stopping bags and I don't need a red octagon.